How to generate traffic using a Facebook like button on your site. In the age of Web 2.0, driving traffic to your website is not all about search engine optimization or SEO. Part of an effective internet marketing strategy is to ensure that your website is also present in the realm of social networks and media sharing. Visitors not only arrive at websites through search results, but also through links their peers share through these social networks. What social networking platform could be more important than Facebook, the world's largest? With over 800 million active users, your website stands to reach a wide variety of audience through Facebook. And sometimes all it takes is one like button in your web pages. How to generate traffic using a Facebook like button on your site. A Facebook like button is a stamp of approval that visitors may click when they literally like the content of your blog. Experience with video sharing site YouTube indicates that visitors prefer a like-dislike system instead of a rating system when expressing approval or disapproval of content. Facebook modified this content and only has like buttons that third-party content may use in their customized pages. What makes the like button extra special for internet marketers is its content sharing component. Visitors who click the like button automatically share the links to their Facebook profiles, which can, in turn, be viewed by people in their respective networks. If your content is good enough, the Facebook like button serves as a form of endorsement by the people potential visitors trust the most, their personal contacts. Viral blog posts are created this way. When putting Facebook like buttons in your website or blog posts, remember to put it in two positions, the top and the foot of a web page or blog post. With the now familiar appearance of the like button, approval and sharing should only be a click away. SEO should still be of high importance, but you'll never go wrong with a few Facebook links here and there.